Okay guys, this is the part 4, okay? So many my friends to PM me and how do I open PC Charger 19 using Windows XP, okay? So this will be the part 4, okay? Part 4 here. So to open it, as I've said in part 2 and part 3, you must install NetFramework, download and install NetFramework 3.5 or 4.0. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Scrolling, I do have 5 bots in room, 3 voice and 3 audio. Okay, and make sure when you downloaded and install NetFramework 3.5 and 4.0, here you must restart your computer, reboot, or turn off your computer then start it again. It is much better when you turn off your computer and start it again, rather than restart your computer. Okay, much better if you turn off your computer and start again. So this is Unoma signing out in YouTube, and this is the part 4 of my tutorial about PC Charger 19 or 17 track whatsoever. Okay, so just install BB-RAN DLL B3SP6, and you must install NetFramework 3.5 or 4.0. okay, and that's it. You don't have to go to this routine here. You don't have to go to this. When it doesn't matter if you do want to go to this routine, okay? If you want to go to this routine, that's okay. If you don't want, that's okay. Right click here, click on properties, those. From general, click on compatibility, and from Windows 95 or 98, you go to Service Pack, Windows NT 4.0 Service Pack 5. Actually, you don't have to go to this routine when you download BB-RAN DLL, same you're using with YASAC and NetFramework 3.5 or 4.0. But you might as well go to this routine and click on OK, and that's it. Bingo. Okay. And that's it. So this is Unoma signing out in YouTube, and I do hope you do like my tutorial. And if you do like my tutorial, you please subscribe in my YouTube video and tell what tutorial do you like, and if you don't like my tutorial, same goes, I cannot please everybody. So this is Unoma signing out in YouTube, and sayonara guys.